Do you know what the best thing about having a dog when you're camping? For sure, they're great at uh, checking for animals, bears, that sort of thing. But when you camp beside a walking trail, unknowingly, that people use quite frequently, you can't leave nothing out. You can't leave nothing anywhere. Like nothing. Like none of the stuff can stay out. It's all gonna be put away. But a dog's gonna help save that situation, make it a little bit better. He'll bark the shit out. No, he will let them pet the shit out of him. Not bark. But they probably won't steal from me if they see this really sweet dog.